Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, let me show you this pen from my last pen haul. There we go, Parker 51, looking a little bit tired, needs a bit of TLC. And here's the pen after a little bit of TLC. So what we've got for you here is, now I've shown you many Parker 51s. This is a Parker 51 in this gorgeous burgundy colour, and the nice thing about this one, it has a Parker rolled silver cap. Not a sterling silver as I mentioned in my last video, but it has what we term as a rolled silver cap, which, no, they're not rare, but they are a little bit unusual. You can see it's got a lovely grey jewel there. So as I say, a Parker aerometric burgundy in colour rolled silver cap with this gold plated gold very recognisable arrow clip. Now this pen was reserved by a viewer, subject to restoration. We've just finished it, so I thought, right, let's do a afterwards video. Now the Parker 51s capped are around about 136 millimeters capped, around the barrel, the diameter, they're around about 12 millimeters in diameter. The date of this pen is early, I would say early 1950s, around, I believe, around about 1952, and it was made in England. So let's take the cap off for you. Let's show you the pen and the cap in numerous different angles. You can see the pen has been fully cleaned. As I say, it was a little bit tired. We've cleaned everything internally, all the collector, the feed, the nib, etc. We've cleaned inside the sack, so everything is looking absolutely gorgeous. You can see there's the section. You can see the the hooded nib to the very top there. There's a sideways view for you, and if we take you underneath, you can see the feed inside there, also nice and clean. So everything gets thoroughly clean. As I say, it's been it was reserved by a customer, so everything's been cleaned as it should. There's the aerometric filler with this little button, black button to the end here. If we show you the filler there, you can see it says Parker, and then if we take it further, it shows you the filling instructions on the aluminium sap protector. Okay, so in full working order, lovely pen. Not a lot to say about the 51s, absolutely superb pens. In fact, what I'll actually do, because I know you people like to see the pens working, so what we'll do, let's bring on some ink. Let's put a little bit of ink in the pen. Okay, I'm sure you could hear that sort of gushing, gurgling sound, which is precisely what we want to hear. Let's pop the cap, sorry, not the cap, the barrel back on, and let's bring on some paper. So what we have is a Parker 51 aerometric, made in England, and we're dating it, as I said, around about 1952. Writing nicely, with I would say a fine fine line. We don't need to check if there's any flex on the 51s. They do tend to be quite a stiff nib. So there's a quick writing sample, as I said, writing in a fine line. What we'll do, we'll empty that ink and then flush it out, because this one will be on its way to the new, to its new home today. But I just thought I'd show you, because a lot of you people I know like to see the pens before and afterwards, so sometimes I remember, sometimes I don't. But there we have it. We're going to keep this one quite short. So we've got a Parker 51 in this lovely burgundy colour, as we said, with a rolled silver cap and a lovely gold plated arrow clip to the top. The lovely grey jewel there, in gorgeous condition and ready to go to its new home. So there we have it. That was a quick one, nice and simple. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy. Don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. Please do that as well. And don't forget, wherever you are around the world, especially our friends in the Ukraine there, please stay safe. Slava Ukraini. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.